बरसों की यादें, धुंधली मुलाकातें, तेरे पहलू को ही ढूंढे जान ले। उलझी सी है रातें मेरी जान जलाए, कहीं टूटे ना ये धागे प्यार के। आ भी भी जाओ, भुला दो मेरी सारी गलतियां, क्यों सुनते नहीं हो तुम मेरी अर्जियां।
Feel of Nature, a poem by Bhupesh Phulara. Feel the peace which you find in nature, positive atmosphere which gives you more pleasure. Feel the golden morning and the energetic sunrise, the dark night and the moon changing its shape and size. Feel the winds that pass through your ears, just relax and forget all of your fears. Feel the morning with chirping of the birds, let them greet you, just try to understand their words. Feel each and every drop of heavenly rain, which will help you in every pain and strain. Feel the shimmering leaves of the trees. Stay calm as say goodbye to all your worries. Feel the clouds that independently wander in the sky. Happiness is also like them, sometimes low and sometimes high. God's Gift to Me, a poem by Carrie R. Devore. You are my sunshine, you are my shining star. Everything I'm not, you are. You make me laugh, you make my heart smile. Dear, you are so sweet, you are so very kind. Everything I cherish in you I find. Everything about you.